Hi everyone, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with exciting news and a fun package share. So I am the new designer for Buttons Galore and I'm super excited to be part of their team, and I can't wait to show you what I got in my first design team package. So let's go with the buttons first. Got this really fun minty color button set, and this is the Tidewater. Here's the packaging. Super fun. I have such a fun project in mind, but I love how different sizes and all the different textures that come in this. It is such a great little pack. And then we have this really fun pink one. You could even see, I'm sorry for the hair, but you can even see like that one is like with a little bit of black in it. There's a bunch of different colors, and this is the pink grapefruit. Even look at those two shimmer buttons. Again, I have a really fun idea for these, so I can't wait to come back and share. This is the 28 Lilac Lean, and this is in Winter Wonderland. And you can see there's sequins mix in here and little, I don't know if that's, oh yeah, little beads in there. Super fun. You can make a fun shaker. And then I also got these, and these are the Sugar Shop glitter buttons. And this is in the Blue Lagoon and the Pink Champagne. And look how sparkly they are. Again, it comes in a different variety pack. Super fun. And then I got these crystal sparklets. These are the crystal hearts, and I just want to show you how beautiful they are. Look how sparkly, and they are flat back, but I cannot wait to use these on a project or a shaker. So fun. Let's see what else I got here. And they did send me 2 little boxes, and I'm just gonna take everything out of the box. But here is, I just did write on, and I wrote top because I don't want this to spill all over. And this is also part of the 28 Lilac Lean. This is in the Springtime in Paris. What a romantic name. I just want to show you. Oh, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty. There's such a fun mix in here. They add some gemmies as well. Wow. Super fun. And I think it's just a nice texture to have in your shakers. So this is a really fun mix. And then we have this one here. And this one is fun mess here. This one is the cherry blossoms. And it is actually very much reminds me of cherry blossom. Look, you guys. There's little floral sequins in here. How pretty is this mix? I love this little mix here, and I cannot wait to play with that. I'm just gonna move this to the side. Oh wow, there's seed beads in here. Such a fun little mix already done for you. And then I have this one here, and this is also part of the 28 Lilac Lean. This is called North Star. And in here, I'm just gonna open this up. Got a bunch of these beautiful white. So you got like a matte white, you got a pearly white, you got some stars in them. Such a fun mix. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And then, let's see, next, I also have a bunch of doodads. And you guys, look how pretty these are. This is the Caribbean Sea, and this is the pink frosting. But they added so many different elements, and I'm totally feeling these for a project. There's gemmies, flatback gemmies in here, and there's not even like, there's more than one color. There's stars. This is such a beautiful starting point for any mix that you make. I can't wait to play with these. And then we got some sprinklets here, and I love these. This is like a fun pink mix here, and it's called Pink It Up. And we have some just white and pink, and then you got like that candy cane swirl. Love that. And look how fun these are. These are so perfect for summer. Got a little fish tank. Love these. I can't wait to play with that. And then look, you guys, I got this tie-dye pearls, and I love using these to put on flowers. I think these are going to be so fun to play with. And And then last but not least, I got this little fun sequins mix, and I love that there's different shapes in here, different tones of gold. You got some white in here as well. And I am super excited to come back and share all of my projects for Buttons Galore. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone!